Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Dr. Kristen here from Every Family Chiropractic Center. So let's talk about New Year's resolutions. I know there are some of you out there that don't do it. What I do every year, I don't know if I necessarily would call it a New Year resolution, but I love to set goals at the beginning of every year. Otherwise, how are you going to achieve things if you don't know what you're actually working toward? So every year when I do set goals, of course, I have several goals or resolutions, you could call them, that involve my health and well-being. I would love to hear from all of you what some of your goals are, what some of your health resolutions are, and I'm going to share two of mine with you in case you haven't picked any resolutions yet. So for me, one of the big things for 2021 is I want to learn to just be even more in tune with my body, understand what I'm feeling, how healthy my body is feeling, and to also learn to be in the present moment even better. So for me, in order to do that, that means meditating more. So I have a New Year's goal, a New Year's resolution to meditate at least 5 days a week so that hopefully one of these days by the end of the year, I'll be able to sit down and meditate for an hour straight without anybody guiding me through. One of my other goals, because I tended to start this at the end of last year, is to eat healthier. And I know everybody wants to make an eat healthier goal. And I'll tell you that for me, what helped me the most was actually meal planning. So I put a whiteboard on my fridge about 2 months ago. And at the beginning of every week or on Sunday evening, I write down what all of my meals are going to be for the whole week. When you go ahead and write down what all of your meals are going to be, it's a lot easier to be healthy because then you don't end up in that situation where, I'm sitting around thinking about what am I going to eat? What do I have in my fridge? And before you know it, it's already 7 o'clock and you're just ordering something to go from the restaurant and it's probably not very healthy. So if one of your goals is to eat healthy, go ahead and start trying to write down what your meal is going to be every week, and that'll help you big time. Some other great goals that are not goals of mine because I've been working on them a long time, but some other great goals for you guys to think about would be to move more, especially right now during these winter months. It's tough for people to get outside because you're kind of chilly, but I don't care if you're cold, put on more layers, get outside, go for a walk, take your dog for a walk, drink plenty of water. That's a great one also. Maybe use the sleep-wake setting that your phone has so that you can actually learn to start going to bed at a decent time so that you're getting that much needed time of rest when your body is healing. And hey, if you're one of our chiropractic patients and you're one of those patients that pops in and you're like, oh my gosh, I needed to come in here 2 weeks ago, but life just got crazy, and you want chiropractic to be a part of one of your resolutions to actually stick with it, let us know because we can make that much easier for you. And just a reminder for everybody, I think Dr. Saylor may have done a video about this. I could be wrong, and you may have gotten it as an email, but for the month of January, we are doing a special where patients are able to get a $47 exam and report of findings. It's an awesome deal. It's usually $200, so it's a great step for the new year and getting on the right track. If you know someone who's looking to improve their health and they're looking to do it in a more natural-minded way, this is a great thing to take advantage of. So I would love if you guys would post some of your healthy New Year resolutions because people are always looking for some better ideas, and sometimes they don't think that they're lacking in some things, just like drinking water. Sometimes people don't even think that drinking water needs to be one of their goals. So go ahead, please comment, share some of your New Year's resolutions, and can't wait to see you all in the office because 2021 is going to be a great year. Bye.